Hey guys, here is a Harbor Breeze Merrimack ceiling fan from December of 2016. This fan is a remote controlled ceiling fan. It is a indoor-outdoor model. Picked up this fan on Facebook Marketplace for a pretty cheap price, and I'll tell you why I have it, because I know a lot of you are wondering probably. Back in the late 2000s, I want to say, Lowe's sold a ceiling fan called the Hunter North Shore, and it almost looked identical to this one. Had similar light kit, had similar motor housing, and I always liked it. I thought it was a really cool looking outdoor fan, and I always wanted one too. But of course, I'm not that old at the time, so I really couldn't buy one myself. But eventually Lowe's discontinued it, and there was nothing else like it on the market. Until I think 2013 or 2014, they came out with this. And I really thought this one looked just like it. I even liked this one a little bit better because it has the ridged blades. I think they're really cool. And I also like the blade badges on this one. And of course the light kit. Yeah, so pretty much I found this on Marketplace for really cheap. And I couldn't pass it up, so I had to get it. So the light kit does dim. Has 3 candelabra bulbs in there. It's all the way up. Then I'll dim it back down and shut it off. I'm probably going to leave it on for the video. I think it looks kind of cool on. But here's low speed. It does make some noise because the light kit is not on there all the way. It was kind of a pain in the ass getting the rim up there, so it might make some buzzing noises. But no, that's just for testing. If I'm not mistaken, Lowe's actually discontinued this fan recently, because they ruin everything. And they replaced it with, I think, the Merrimack 2, which looks kind of similar, but they don't have the same blade badges. They have different blades, and it's pull chain. So it's really not the same, whatever. I'm glad I have this one though. It has a decent low speed, it's a newer fan, but it is what it is. Kick it up to medium speed. There's that buzzing you're probably going to hear from the light kit. About medium speed, here's high. And it kind of goes away. It's moving on high. I'm feeling some air from it. It's not terrible. Some of the stuff is moving around here because of it, so it is doing its job. And I'll shut it off. No, I'm probably gonna get a lot of comments about this fan saying how crappy it is, but I really don't care. If you waste your time putting those comments up, they're just gonna be deleted right away. So there's really no point in even writing them. I just find those comments very annoying and obnoxious, so whatever. Here's the date code. It's a really cool finish too. I really like the finish a lot. It's a shame the Merrimack 2s don't have this finish either. But here's the blade badges. I think they're pretty cool. It's almost like a compass. There's the light. Yeah, this rim, it's not really on there all the way. The whole thing turns, but I'm gonna have to work on that. Here's the blades. Yeah, it's a pretty cool fan. I'm kind of sad Bose discontinued it, but you know, whatever. If I find another one, I'll probably get it at some point, but anyway, that's about it. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video.